Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a high protein healthy veg sandwich which you can include in your weight loss meals. You can have it as an evening snack or as an office lunchbox meal, and it takes just under 10 minutes to make. Super easy and filling. So let's get started with the recipe. I have some curry leaves plant in my balcony, and if you are a regular on my channel then you know how much I love this plant. It has amazing health benefits and a must have in your diet, especially if you have iron deficiency anemia. So I harvested some curry leaves and I'm adding some of the garden fresh organic curry leaves into my chutney grinder. So first what I'm going to do is I'm making the filling for this sandwich. And I'm adding in a small piece of ginger, 3 shallots for that extra antioxidants, iron and folate, 1/3 cup paneer cubes, 1 green chilli, 1/3 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/3 teaspoon roasted jeera powder, also known as cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder, pink Himalayan salt as needed. And now I'm going to coarsely grind all the ingredients. And once coarsely ground, you can even store it in an airtight glass container and keep it in the fridge. And it will stay good for a couple of days. The filling need not be cooked and hence no extra oil is needed. Now to make the sandwich, I'm brushing 1/4 teaspoon desi ghee on each slice of the brown bread. And then I'm placing 1 to 2 tablespoons of the paneer mix. And on top of it, place a slice of tomato, some cucumber slices, and then cover it with the other slice of the brown bread. Drizzle a little bit of desi ghee and place the sandwich in the toaster and toast both sides until done. Once toasted, remove the sandwich and then slice into half and serve. You can also pack this as a lunchbox meal for school or office. Now with this paneer filling, you can make around 4 to 5 sandwiches. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how this turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.